Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming cable type and matching the jack. Cat 5, E versus Cat 6 matters because pair alignment and slot spacing differ. Strip the jacket to the manufacturer's spec, exposing the twisted pairs. Avoid nicking conductors to prevent intermittent faults. Insert the cable so the pairs seat in the IDC channels, then rest the punch-down tool perpendicular to the terminal. Once aligned, press and actuate the tool in a single, decisive motion so the blade trims and seats the conductor cleanly. You now work through the color code sequence, seating each pair in its assigned slot to maintain wiring order and avoid crosstalk. Use steady, controlled pressure with the punch-down tool. This both seats the conductor into the IDC and trims excess wire. Don't double hit the same terminal or you risk damaging the contact. Once done for a couple pairs, visually confirm the conductor is fully inserted and that the twist is preserved as close to the termination as possible to keep signal integrity high. You finish by securing the cable with strain relief and replacing any covers because movement can loosen terminations. Then use a cable tester to verify continuity, pair mapping, and shorts. Testing ensures you caught mistakes early. If the tester flags a problem, re-terminate the suspect pair. Cut back to undamaged wire, reseat using the punch-down tool, and retest. If intermittent issues persist, inspect for nicked conductors or bent contacts. Correcting those usually restores reliable connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.